Background noise ruining your music? Let's turn on active noise canceling on your Samsung Galaxy Buds Core and block it out instantly. First, make sure your buds are connected to your phone. Now open Settings, go to Connections, then tap Bluetooth. Find your Galaxy Buds Core and tap the gear icon next to it. If you're using a non-Samsung phone, download the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app from the Play Store. Open it, connect your Buds Core, sign in to your Samsung account, and you'll get the same settings there. Now you'll see noise controls at the top. You get 3 options: Off, which is no noise control; Ambient Sound, lets outside sound in; and Active Noise Canceling, blocks background noise. Just tap Active Noise Canceling to turn it on. Now let's make it even easier to control. Scroll down and tap Touch Controls. Turn it on if it's not already. Then tap Touch and Hold and choose Switch Noise Control. You'll also get more options here, so you can customize what each earbud does, left and right the way you like. Now you can just press and hold your earbuds to switch between noise modes anytime. And that's it. Now you can control noise around you instantly, right from your earbuds.